Welcome. Thank you so much for subscribing to this YouTube channel. Welcome once again. Here is the headline for today. Prophet Ayodele Ologoluwa speaks on why Yoruba nation is the only alternative for freedom for the Yorubas. So if I give you the details of what Prophet Ayodele said, don't forget to like this video channel. For those who have not subscribed yet, click on the red button subscribe to get more of this news, and also do not forget to click on the notification button to get notified whenever I will bring you latest news on what's happening in Yoruba land. Now here's the full details of the news. Prophet Ayodele is a prophet and also an evangelist. He has been an evangelist for 25 years and currently is not in Nigeria. He now has his church abroad in America. So they invited him for an interview with one of the Yoruba Nation media personnel, and was being asked some few questions. And I will quickly just go through the interview step by step. So the first question is, people are giving options and alternatives to Yoruba Nation. People are saying that instead of, leaving Nigeria, instead of going to quit our own country, why don't we just, restructure Nigeria, change the constitution, that's the 1999 constitution we are making use of now, and do a little bit of patch up, and then Nigeria will be better and they will not be killing any longer. And these people are those ones that they are scared that what if they leave Nigeria and then Yoruba nation, the country they want to go and quit now, is now worse than Nigeria. So that people that are bringing this kind of options, they are saying that Yoruba nation is not the only option, that is just part of the alternatives. And then he replied and said, and then they asked him that, so with all these options down, restructuring, changing of constitution, changing of propagandas, why has he chosen that Yoruba nation is the only option, is the only best idea? Why has he chosen to follow Yoruba nation with all the options? As a prophet, he should, help Nigeria. Now, why has he chosen now to follow Yoruba nation instead of, saying that we should restructure Nigeria? And he said that restructuring and referendum is the language of the politicians in Nigeria, and it doesn't concern the Yoruba people. With everything the Yorubas have gone through, restructuring and propaganda, referendum is not what they need now. The Yoruba nation is the only way, is the only thing that will give us freedom from killings, from bad governance, from kidnappings. That is the only thing that would free us from these things. And then he changed the Nigerian's name. And I want to say that name. He said in location 419 that is what people know, people in America, that's what they know Nigeria as. Location 419. And we said with the way things are going in Nigeria, so I think that's our second name. Can you imagine? Location 419. Yorubas are different from Nigeria. He said we are way different from Nigerians. In our language, in our dressing, our culture, everything, we are way different from Nigeria. He said those people that are leaders are in high positions of power, presidents, governors, chairman, senate presidents. They are seeing the ones behind the killing of innocent people in Nigeria, killing of innocent people in Yoruba land. So the next question was, why is it that when it is time for Yorubas to rule Nigeria, that is when Yoruba nation want to begin? And when he said that question, I was not reasoning it in another light. Why? The Fulanis have been ruling, at least in some time, the Igbos ruled, I think, through Goodluck Jonathan, the Igbos ruled. But Yorubas, it's been long we ruled. So why is it that now that they have given the tickets to Bola Ahmed Tinubu, that is when Yorubas want to leave? Why? So what's your own take on this question? Please answer your own comments now. Even as you're coming, for those coming in now, let me say the question again. Why is it that it is when Yorubas they have been given the opportunity to rule Nigeria, that is when the Yorubas want to leave. Why? Let me hear this in the comment section. Let me hear your answers in the comment section. And then the man replied, Prophet Ayodele replied, that the ticket that has been given to Bola Ahmed Tinubu is only a game. It is only a game. It's only a disguise, a plan against the Yoruba people. And that if the Yoruba people fall for it, they will still spend another 4 or 8 years in captive. If the Yorubas fall for this nonsense that, okay, let's go and vote. Since it's our people, it's our man, Tinubu is a Yoruba person, is amongst us, we're not going to vote for him next year. They will not go again, that they will remain in this Nigeria and continue the suffering. As if they don't leave now, and they want to use, the government can turn people's head. They know now. They know. Let's just look at what Prophet Ayodele said. He said they never wanted him to be the presidential flag bearer of APC. It's from APC that Buhari came from. From APC that all those Fulani people that are in. So they never wanted him to become the flag bearer. But when he threatened to expose their secrets out, all those secrets in Aso Rock, and when they realized that if they don't give him the chance to rule, he will join Yoruba Nation. And if he mistakenly joins Yoruba Nation, Yoruba Nation is going. Because the man has connections, the man has, plenty forces. And if he decides to make up his mind and follow Yoruba Nation, then but they know that no, they don't want Yoruba Nation to leave now. They still want to continue killing us. They still want to continue to ride us even on our own land. Because they didn't want him to join Yoruba Nation. That was why they gave him the ticket. And Prophet Ayodele mentioned something. He said, Tinubu is not a politician. That if he's really a good politician, he will know that they are only playing him. And they are playing a game with his head. If he really is a politician. Although he has helped a lot of people to come into power. But the man doesn't have the sense of being a politician. Because politicians, they are gamers. They play games with everything. So, Tinubu is not a politician. And he said, what has he really done for Yoruba people? What has he done in Yoruba land? What's significant in that we say, okay, this is the school he built, that is helping the community, this is what he did, this is the university, this is the very good, he has not seen anything that Tinubu has really done for the Yoruba people that has really benefited them. So what's your take on this? What do you feel about what everything Prophet Ayodele said? Please comment on everything I just said now. Comment. And also don't forget to like this video channel. Click on the notification button to get notified when we bring you latest news. So you'll be among the first people that will get the latest news concerning Yoruba land. And also don't forget to subscribe. For those our new subscribers, thank you so much. Thank you so much for trusting us to bring you news. And for those people that will turn those returning subscribers, thank you so much. Thank you. God bless.